Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Let's talk about the Sea Ray 2022-25 Sun Deck today. It's a gorgeous boat. It can go out into the deeper water. It can do the backwater real good as well. It's powered by the new Mercury Verado 300 horsepower, which is a fantastic, quiet, very little vibration. This is a rocket ship with this motor on the back. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 25. Let's take a look. Start at the back of the boat. Very large swim platform back here. Places to charge your phone. Nice, comfortable seating facing backwards. And also you can flip this around. And we can slide this all the way in, or you can flip it back and give yourself more room for hanging out. So if you're going to hang out back here, you would put it in this position. If not, you just flip it around the other way and you bring it back. And now you've got more room in the cockpit area. So you've got L-shaped seating, drink holders, table, reversible backrest. So if you want to lounge, you can lounge this way, and you can also lounge that way. So if you're just hanging out, we got the table out here. You basically got a 360. So moving this back, you got a nice helm set up. You get the large 12-inch Simrad touchscreen. So it's all you're going to need. You can split that screen for focusing in or zooming back out again. Fusion stereo, and then you've got a little cabin for a 25-foot boat. It's actually not bad. So you've got a pump out head there, and then if you're not using the head, this will fold down, this cushion, and it makes like a little sleeping area. So not bad for a 25-foot boat. You've got the sea deck on the floor, which is really comfortable on your feet. 4 adults, 3 very comfortably, but possibly 4 adults here, maybe another 3 here, so you can put a decent amount of people up here. Again, drink holders. You got a cooler, designated spot under the cooler, and then in the bow, you've got the ladder, so you can drive right up onto the beach and deploy the ladder down. You can get on and off the boat without going in the water. A lot of people like that. So that's a really neat feature, especially around where we can just drive right up on the beach. And then when you get back on board, there's a hose right there. Rinse the sand right off, back into the water, so it keeps the sand from getting in the boat. So that's a big deal. So it's got the sports tower. It's just set up very, very well. It's just a great all-around boat. The color is a nice, beautiful blue hull. And so if you've got any questions on it, or maybe set up an appointment to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.